Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been in your state for the last 3 days. I have just now opened the women's hostel. I am happy to know that all the money for the hostel has been found from the funds of the temple here. I congratulate the temple authorities for having allotted funds for this noble cause. I hope it would be adopted in other parts of the country also. We have been discussing some of our national and international problems during the last 3 days. The most important problem before us at the present time is the supply of enough food to our people. The second problem is the rising prices. I know that your state is surplus in food grains. You produce enough rice, but I am told that your government do not want to supply it to other states. You should realize the fact that you have got a responsibility to feed the whole country. The country should not be divided into compartments. Wherever there is surplus, it should be made available to other states where there is shortage of food grains. It is necessary that the food production will always be considered on a national basis. It is the desire of the central government that we should also fix prices for other basic necessities of life. Some of these items are cement, oil, salt, etc. We have to supply these items to our people at reasonable prices. I have no doubt that it would give great relief to the people as a whole. We can do this if there is proper control and if there is efficient and effective administration. I hope that the administration, the district authorities and the officers of the various departments in the vital areas will come forward and serve the people in a spirit of sympathy and understanding. We know that we are engaged in very difficult task. We have difficult problems to face. We have our internal problems as well as external. There is the problem of shortage of food grains and also the problem of rising prices. I am, however, satisfied to see that there is an improvement in the food situation. Food grains are available in the market. The prices have also shown a downward trend. I hope that there will be further reduction in prices. I am sure that this will give relief to the people. Letter from Ram and Sons, Madras to Mr. V. George, Salem. Dear Sir, we have great pleasure in acknowledging the receipt of your letter of the 10th instant along with a check for rupees 10,000. We have placed it to the credit of your account. The official receipt will be sent to you in due course. In reply to your enquiry as to the progress of the construction of your house in the new street, we are glad to inform you that the works are progressing as per schedule and the building will be ready for occupation before the end of June. With reference to your request regarding investments, we enclose a list of those whom we consider to be safe. We have not included anyone dealing with iron and steel as desired by you in your letter. Your instructions will at all times receive our attention, hoping to hear from you at an early date. Yours faithfully. Stop.